This segment of Bridge Street is sponsored by CNY Cosmetic and Reconstructive Surgery.
The CNY Beauty Team at CNY Cosmetic and Reconstructive Surgery is ready to help those looking to enhance their look.
That's right. Here to tell us about some of the ways that they can are registered physician assistants Beth Phillips, Christina Giancola, and Rosa Canada. Good morning.
Good morning. How are you?
Thank you for joining us. So we'll start off and ask you guys, what is the Beauty Team, Beth? What are you guys all about? What does that mean?
Yep.
Because you're not doing makeup.
No, not at all. So you know, we are called CNY Cosmetic and Reconstructive Surgery, and little by little, we're realizing that that does not necessarily, show our essence. We do so much more than that, and so as we started to look around and say, people, do they understand who we are? Nothing would bother me more than having someone say, well, I didn't know you guys did that.
Right.
And so when I would hear that, I was just like, we need to kind of let the community know that we are more than that. And so we kind of came up with the CNY Beauty Team because we are doctors, PAs, estheticians, nurses, and we really are a comprehensive team.
Yeah. Take care of the beauty.
Let's talk about that team, Christina, because you guys do a lot of different things. I know that women, and maybe men too, I don't know, but I'm friends with a lot of women who talk about it, is Botox, fillers, right? Do you do a lot of this?
Yeah, we do all this kind of stuff, and it's not just women. A lot of the men are starting to get into it. Botox is a big thing,
Wow.
But yeah, I think everybody is just trying to kind of slow that aging process. And there's a lot, unfortunately, we see a lot of bad filler out there, Everyone's always like, I don't want to look like that celebrity. But we can do it really subtly, really tastefully, and, just make it so it fits in your life. So you can come in on a lunch break, get some Botox, have it be pretty easy, not disrupt your life.
Girl, you can go back to work after having Botox?
Yes,
okay.
come in. No one will even know.
And you can actually do it, right? Because you're not all the time, you're not going to see a doctor. You don't need to see the doctor to do that.
We're certified, we are trained, we do a lot of training, and I think, Rosa's going to talk about that a little bit.
That was my question, Rosa, is when you talk, you think about physician's assistants, maybe sometimes we don't often think about that in terms of your line of work, but quite frankly, you do quite a bit.
Yeah.
Exactly. So not only do we do injections of toxins and fillers, we can do in-office, minor in-office procedures as well. When you come to our office, it's either the surgeons or the PAs that are doing the injections or those minor procedures. And we have a lot of training as PAs. We've had gone through training courses, master training courses through Allergan, the ASPS, and so when you come to our practice, we are going to practice with our what am I trying to say? Safely, and so that you leave with the best aesthetic result that we can give you.
Right. Now, if you can go to work in Wegmans after it, then I'm saying that is the best. But you also have something called PRP. Describe what that is?
Yep. So that is platelet-rich plasma. That is where someone's blood is drawn. We then spin it down. We remove the red blood cells, and what's left is we call it liquid gold. But that it has
different kinds of liquid gold.
It has growth factors. It has all kinds of healing qualities. It's got stem cells. And so what we do with that, we can use it for people that have thinning hair. We can inject it into the scalp. We use it for it's great for collagen boosting. We can either we can be microneedled into the face. We can just inject it into areas that you're lacking some collagen.
So many uses.
Yeah, there's so many uses.
But you cannot drink it.
You cannot drink it.
Right. We're not drinking We're not drinking the liquid gold. We're injecting
Yes, exactly. Exactly.
I want to know what aqua gold is, though. What is that?
So aqua gold is something that's really exciting. It's a different type of microneedling where you're actually taking a little kind of vial, and it has many sharp gold-plated needles, and you're putting the Botox and the filler and a couple other different things in there, and you're putting it all over the patient's face, okay? And what that's going to do is shrink the pore size, really just smooth out fine lines and wrinkles, and it's a different way to use these neurotoxins and these fillers in a way to really just make your skin just look so glossy, so nice, and just it's a really nice and fun, exciting thing,
And if I can say, that can also be done with PRP. Sometimes when people are looking, when their skin has just, I think thing I always say, I always tell my customers, I said, you know, that little old lady skin, we're all doing everything that we can do not to end up with that. You know, that
when
skin.
you see them,
So this is more on the epidermal and light dermis level. It's a little bit more superficial than some of the other treatments that we do.
Okay.
But you can, yes, so you can PRP in there. Usually what's in the AquaGold, it's a little bit of Botox, a little bit of hyaluronic acid filler, along with some numbing medication so that it's tolerable, or not tolerable, so that it's comfortable, actually very comfortable.
And it'll make you look good.
Yes.
Yeah.
There we go. Well, listen, if you'd like to learn more about CNY Beauty Team, their cosmetic and reconstructive surgery, they're located at 5898 Bridge Street in East Syracuse, right next door. You can give them a call, 315-663-0112, or email them plasticsurgeryofsyracuse.com. And they also have that special through September 15th. So for every $300 you spend, you spend on injectable Juvederm and Botox, right? So you could be entered into a raffle to win a liquid facelift with every $300 spent. And to save the dates for you, September 26th for a grand opening event for the office's new SkinCeuticals store, and then they're hosting Botox Day on October 19th.